An ordinary afternoon when Jake found the envelope in his mailbox. There was no name, no return address, just his own neatly written on the front. Curious, he opened it and unfolded a piece of paper. Inside was a map. It was hand drawn with rough sketches of landmarks, a fountain, a park bench, and what looked like an old playground. At the bottom, in bold letters, were the words, "Follow the clues to find the special treasure." Jake's heart raced with excitement. He immediately called his best friend, Mia. "You won't believe what I found," he said. A short while later, Mia was at his house, examining the map. "This is so cool! But who sent it?" she asked. Jake shook his head. "I have no idea, but don't you want to find out where it leads?" "Absolutely," Mia said with a grin. "Let's go." The first clue led them to the park down the street. They followed the map to a large fountain in the center. "Look," Mia said, pointing to a stone near the edge. A small arrow was etched into it, pointing toward a dirt path. "This must be the way," Jake said, and they followed the path deeper into the park. The next stop was an old wooden bench under a sprawling oak tree. They searched around it until Mia found another clue, a small piece of paper tucked under the bench. It read, "Look where children laugh and play." "The playground!" they both exclaimed. When they arrived at the playground, it was quiet, the swings swaying gently in the breeze. The map showed an X near the base of the slide. Jake and Mia dug lightly in the dirt and soon uncovered a small, rusted metal box. Jake carefully opened it, and inside was a collection of objects: old photographs, handwritten notes, and a small notebook filled with drawings and signatures. "It's a time capsule," Mia said, her voice filled with wonder. They sat down on the grass and began to go through the items. The photographs showed children playing and laughing, and the notes described their hopes and dreams. One read, "We hope someone finds this one day and remembers us." Jake and Mia looked at each other and smiled. "This isn't just a treasure," Jake said. "It's a window into the past." They decided to leave a note of their own in the box, thanking the kids who created the capsule and adding a little about themselves. Then they carefully reburied it, deciding to keep its location a secret for someone else to discover one day. As they walked back home, the map tucked safely in Jake's pocket, they felt a sense of connection, not just to each other, but to the people who had come before them. They had set out to find a treasure and discovered something far more valuable: the power of memories and the joy of shared adventures.